Hey, good morning, my people. Just out here chilling in the beautiful city of Cartagena. I know a lot of people give Colombia a bad rap, based on everything that happened in the 90s, but Cartagena is absolutely beautiful. If you love beaches, if you love the sea, if you love seafood, Cartagena gives Miami vibes, something that you'll really like. I'm always going to promote Colombia. Is one of my favorite countries. I had the pleasure of coming here. Shout out to Nick and Savannah. I had a pleasure of coming here actually a week ago in Cali to celebrate that wedding. And then I flew in to Cartagena to spend a few days with my friends. But it's absolutely amazing. I didn't do too much on this trip. One of the things that I did is the top three islas, which is top three islands. So we went to three different islands. I can't remember the third. I can't remember the first one we went to, but we went to Isla Isabela, and we also went to the last one, which is Bora Bora. The top three island tour is the most luxurious tour that you have here in Cartagena. Shout out to my homeboy Alejandro. I'm gonna make sure that I have his information in the comments, in the descriptions, so y'all can reach out to him and he'll get you set up with a tour. But check out this view, man. Check out this. This is Colombia. This is what a lot of people don't promote. A lot of people don't see. Colombia is absolutely beautiful. So y'all follow me on this journey as I take this top three island tour, man, to Peru.